Ningxia province in northern China, home to a fifth of the country's 10 million strong Hui community, the nation's largest ethnic minority. Said to be descended from Persian and Arabic traders who intermarried with Chinese locals in the 7th century, the majority of the Hui are Muslim. And despite living in communist China, where claims of religious repression are common, the Hui appear able to practice their religion without hindrance from the authorities, although their imams are appointed by the government.
The Muslims here feel quite free, and practicing Islam is protected by law, which of course is good for us. Chinese Muslims still have to follow the law, and we can't do anything outside it. But all of our regular practices are within the law.
Like all Muslims, the Hui study the Quran from an early age, but their level of Arabic is often very basic, and many choose to go to special schools where they can improve their language skills and knowledge of Islam alongside their regular Chinese curriculum.
I teach these students how to speak Arabic. Most of them come here knowing very little, but they get better by their second year. By the third year, the studious ones start to be able to converse in the language. And by their final year, my students will be able to get a job and converse properly with native Arabic speakers.
Much of Hui culture is based around Islam and practices brought over from the Middle East. However, many traditions have evolved over time to include Chinese influences as well.
Our methods and treatments are primarily based on the series of ablutions performed before entering a mosque. And these have evolved from practices in the Middle East and Iran. We have also added traditional Chinese medicinal techniques, so we have a very special Chinese Muslim system of healthcare.
1,300 years of history and tradition. And despite some cultural crossover with China's Han majority over that time, the Hui people take immense pride in continuing to follow the customs and religion of their Middle Eastern forefathers.